Your crew flies the line on Monday. By Friday, you're still waiting on the defect report. That's not an inspection problem, it's an analysis problem. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how DetectOS turns raw inspection images into the industry's fastest severity-ranked findings, so no one has to comb through every photo by hand. DetectOS is our AI visual inspection platform for utilities. It analyzes transmission imagery with an almost immediate turnaround, returning severity-ranked, geotagged defect findings right inside your asset management workflow. For most utilities, waiting days between capture and delivery is just normal. DetectOS erases that delay, so you know if there's a critical issue on your line much faster. Let's jump in. On the executive page, the upload icon sits top right. One click and you change the project, inspection type, and line ID from these dropdowns. Then, drop in the photos you want inspected. DetectOS takes RGB and thermal imagery from drones, helicopters, fixed cameras, or mobile phones. No reformatting. Whatever your crew flies, it just ingests. The moment images land, DetectOS reviews every one for quality and completeness, confirming the capture meets the standard our AI analysis requires before anything moves forward. As the images process, AI Triage ranks every one by how likely it is to contain a defect, so your team reviews the 5% that matter, not all 100%. AI findings are reviewed and confirmed by our domain experts before they count, so no false positives or false negatives slip through. The AI handles the scale, our experts make the call, because grid infrastructure demands a fully competent view. When processing finishes, you land on the dashboard. Every structure ranked by severity, a full map view of everything you inspected with regional impact at a glance, a 12-month risk forecast, and bidirectional health tracking, which puts a dollar figure on the revenue your predictive maintenance is protecting and what's at risk if you wait. From there, you work top-down by priority. DetectOS shows you exactly what it found, each defect boxed, classified, and scored pinned to that structure's location. No guessing where the problem is. You're looking at a high-severity defect on a specific structure, ready to action. When the review's done, one click on export auto-generates a report for your team, no spreadsheets, and no rekeying. Since DetectOS is API-friendly, those results port automatically into the GIS and work order management systems you already run, so findings flow straight into your operations with no manual handoff. That's DetectOS, utility imagery in, precise severity-ranked findings out. See it on your own assets. Book a demo at the link below.